Hello! In this video tutorial, we are gonna learn something about Dequest. So Dequest, it's this new thing that was introduced to me, and what it was, it was like it's like a platform that allows Web3 gamers who are interested in learning more and interested in, getting better at it, expand their knowledge and skills. That's what Dequest is. So in Dequest, um, there's a bunch of different um, Web3 NFT game. And what it does is that you can click on it and then they'll um, give you tutorials or guides on how to play the game. And there's some quests that you can complete. And when you complete each of these quests or things that you have to do, you get rewards for it. So in Dequest, when you're using it and when you complete those quests, you will be able to gain rewards like like NFTs and like other things like trophies. But I'll explain later. Anyways, if you're unable to find this website, I'm gonna put this website down in the link down below. So I'm gonna put my invite link for Dequest so you guys can click on it. Click on that invite link and then you guys are able to join Dequest. So, so right now I'm just gonna show you how it works exactly and how to sign in and create the account. So I'm gonna put this link down below. And then once you click on the link, it's gonna bring you to this page. And then what you're gonna do is just press sign in. And then you're gonna connect your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask sign over here. Click on your MetaMask wallet. If it doesn't pop up, click on it and then just unlock it. So unlock your account and then we're gonna sign it again. And then we're gonna sign it again on our MetaMask. Sign. And then that's good, we're in. So over here, this, as you guys can see, this is gonna be over here in the corner. It's gonna show your wallet address, and then it's gonna connect it to your MetaMask wallet. And then usually when you just created this account, when you're new, it's gonna show 0 on your points, and then it's gonna show 0 and 0. But as you complete these quests, you are going to be earning points. So right now, I've already actually created my account and I've already um completed some quests, so I've earned some points. So I want to show you how to complete a quest. Okay, so these are the quests. If you scroll down, these are the quests that are available and that you have to do. And for each quest, it tells you points how much points you earn. So for over this one over here, if I click on this one, I've completed it. So once it's completed, it's gonna say complete. So let's go back again. Once it's completed, it's gonna be saying completed and the check mark. And if you click on it, if I click on this, in this quest, there's actually different things that I have to do. So some quests just requires you to do one thing, some quests requires you to do multiple things. So for this quest, I had 5 things that I had to do. And for each of the things, I was able to earn points. So for this one, my first quest was to own 1 territory. And then what I did is I click on verify and then I've earned 50 points for that. So if you have a territory, if you have 1 or 5 or 10 or 25 or 50 territories, you can go here and then complete this quest. So to do it, just go on, to do it, just go on territory owner, click on it. Click on it, open task, and then it says complete quest, verify it. and then it's gonna give you your points. And then over here, if you have 5 territories, you can complete this one, and then complete this one if you have 25, complete this one if you have 50, right there. So in total for this one, I got like 250 points. So I've completed that. I've also completed this. So if you have 5 IXT, you can just click on Open Quest and then verify it. And then if you have 5 IXT, you have completed the quest, and then over here it says that you can earn 25 points. I've earned 25 points for that. So right now let's complete one. Let's see. Oh, over here it says hold 25 picks. So I know that I have 25 picks. So I'm gonna open my quest. I'm gonna verify it. There we go. So if you have 25 picks, you can verify that, and we've earned 35 points for that. And let's do another one. So some quests requires you to be able, some quests require you to do something, while some quests require you to have something, and then some quests just want you to answer something. So for example, but oh for example, let's go down here. So if you go down more, over here it says it's asking us a question. So the category is education and stability, and it says you have to fill in the blank. So a percentage of blank generated by using this third staking pool will go directly to the Amelia Foundation wallet. So over here, they want us to fill in the blanks, and if we get it right, we're gonna get 15 points for that. So I know what it is. So a percentage of the IXT. So let's enter our answer in IXT. Click on IXT and then send. There we go. We've completed it and we've earned 15 points. And you'll be also to be able to show your updated points at the top over here. So right now we have 375 points earned. And then if we want to earn more points, we can just complete all of these. Also, guys, if you don't know the answer, like if you see something and you don't know the answer, what you can do is you can open the link. For example, over here, you can go over here and you can open the link. And then what's gonna do is gonna bring you to our white paper, a Planet Arts white paper. And in this white paper, it contains all of the rules, the guidelines, and the information about our game, Planet IX. So if you don't know any of the answers, you can just read this white paper and then it will give you the answers to make your life easier. Maybe you can figure out what the category is of the question that is asking you, and then you can look over here in the table of contents and then just type in the page number over here at the corner and then read it, and then once you find it out, you can enter your answer and then you'll earn points for it. So this Dequest thing just helps you, it helps you to be familiarized with your Web3 NFT game that you're playing. Whatever game you're playing, it helps you to be familiarized with it, and it helps you to be more knowledgeable and experienced about it. And what it does is that while it helps you, get better at the game itself, it also gives you rewards and points for, getting better at the game. So yeah. Also, for this one over here, what we did before, we've earned 50 points for each of the things that we did before. And we've also earned a trophy. So you can locate your trophy on the OpenSea. So if you go on the OpenSea right now, click on MetaMask. And then let's go to our profile, right? And now let's go to more and let's go to hidden. Okay, you're gonna be able to see these trophies. So these are the trophies that we've received from completing these quests and Dequest. So some quests gives you only points, but some quests also gives you points along with trophies. So for this one over here, territory owner, we were able to get points as well as trophies with it. So we've earned points for these tasks that we did, and we can locate them here. So this is one of the trophies that we've earned from the quest. So yeah. So some people are selling their their trophies on the OpenSea. Well, you can keep it depending on you, but it seems like there haven't been any price action yet. It means that no one has bought this trophy yet, but people are selling it over here and see. Now, I don't know what this trophy does, but these trophies are just there. So you can just have them around your OpenSea, and maybe in the future they'll have value, but as of now, I'm not sure what it does yet, but it's just there. Okay. So let's go back again. This is Dequest, and there's more Web3s NFT game that you can find here in Dequest, and there's also like lessons that you can go through so that you can learn more about Web3 and NFT games if you want. And you'll also be able to earn points for that as well. So over here in the top page, you can see journeys with Flash Quest, skills, realms, dashboard, meta passport, and Dequest. And you guys can explore on this website. And if you guys get lost in this platform and don't know how to get back on this specific page, you guys can always click on the link down below and it'll automatically bring you to this page, this Planet IX Dequest page. So yeah, but you guys can just explore this platform yourself so that you can be, familiarized with it and know more about it. You can just do it on your own time. So I will put this Dequest on the link down below, and then you guys can just sign up for it using that link, and then you guys can explore it at your own time. Okay, bye bye. This is it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, as well as our other videos. Like our channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below for more videos.